I am going to check out a repository from SVN. So right click, go to tortoiseSVN and click on checkout. So when I click on that, this is the link of the repository and I am going to click on OK. And yeah, click on OK. So these are the files that I am getting from the repository. But when you look at this, you can see that there are no icons near these files. I am not getting any overlay icons. How to get that? For that, right click, go to tortoiseSVN settings. Then on the left side, we can see overlay handlers. Click on that and click on start registry editor. When you click on that, we can see under shell icon overlay identifiers, we can see that in beginning we can see OneDrive and tortoise related files are at the bottom. What we need to do is that we need to move this tortoise related files on top. For that, I'm going to add spaces. So rename these folders by adding spaces. I'm adding around 4 spaces. So rename all these tortoise related files by giving spaces. So rename these files around till tortoise 9. Give spaces, and yep, we have given spaces for all the tortoise related files. Now we can close this and again we can click on start registry editor. Now when you open that, we can see under shell icon overlay identifier, tortoise related files are at the top. So we have done the changes. We can close this and now we can click on OK. And now we need to restart our system. Go to start and restart our system. So after restart, we can see that, see near the folder we are getting the overlay icon. When you open the folder, see for all the files we are getting the green tick mark. If I am going to open this file and I am going to edit this by adding a new line, when I save, when I close this, we can see we are getting the red icon, the modified icon. So similarly, we will get all SVN related icons.